Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your Microsoft Word which is not responding or working or even opening in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the very first step is we need to press Windows and R key together to open Run, or you can simply do a right click here at the start icon and go for Run. Click on it. So here in this small window, please type services.msc, then click on OK to continue. So once you're here at the services window, you need to look for print spooler, okay? So in order to do that or to find that easily, click anywhere of the system or services, then type P in your keyboard, then go for print spooler, okay? So you can see here print spooler next to power. Then once done, just have to select it, do a right click and scroll down, then go for properties. Okay, so here in this print spooler properties local computer window, you need to go for startup type. And here, just have to click this down arrow and change it into manual. And then click on apply and click on OK. So once done, you will be able to see here startup type in manual and running. Okay. So after doing this first step, you need to restart your computer. Okay. So once you relaunch your computer again, check if your Microsoft Word is working again. And if it's working for you, then good. But let's say if it doesn't, then let's proceed to the second and last step, which is we need to open the update. Then now how we can do that? Let us close this first and press Windows and R key together, and this time type appwiz.cpl, then click on OK. So the moment you click on that, these programs and features will appear, okay? So here, just identify the Microsoft Office that you are using or installing in your computer. You can go with Microsoft Office 365 if you have installed such. And in my case, I have Microsoft Office Professional Plus, okay? So here, just have to select this, click on Change, okay? So your user account control will ask you to say yes. So just go with yes to continue the process. Okay, just have to wait until a new window will appear. Okay. So sorry for that. Okay. So if not, click on changed again and please wait until the current program is finished uninstalling or being changed. You simply click on OK. Okay. So here I will not go any farther anymore. Just have to click on changed. And the moment you click on that, you will have an option repair. Okay? Just have to click on repair and wait until the process is done and then restart your computer and you'll be able to fix your problem. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.